What up, family? Black Feniks checking in. Right now I'm getting things established. I'm on the corner right now, Midwest Boulevard and 23rd Street, for those who want to check me out. We getting everything done. Probably gonna have to come back the next day or so to put my staircase up. It's getting a little cool now, so I'm finna go on and wrap it up. But I'm gonna walk in here just to let y'all see the side real quick. Pretty much ready, lined out. I brought my stuff in here so that way I can start doing my touch-ups. I brought my touch-ups in here, and it's in a good spot, man. Everything is smooth. I really like the spot, the location. As you see, you can see the road real good. So that's the goal. Right off the road, so everybody come through here. Who they got to see? Us. That's right. So, just wanted to tune in, man. Let y'all know we are living to be remembered and getting our hog on. So remember, check out the website, www.HogOn2017.com. That's www.HogOn2017.com, and we out.